see a fruit shake stand over here. And also outside we have some refreshments which are available. I think one more thing, we go outside and get some treats. We have a picture inside. You also have a picture by the house and that's there at the back. So kids, do you know what the essence of Easter is all about? It's really not about anything, but it's about somebody special who was risen and come to save us from our sins. You understand? Okay? You know why are we celebrating Easter? Why are we celebrating Easter? Why? Everyone, that's right. Jesus was resurrected on Easter Sunday. Okay.
That's
okay, we're just waiting for our co-sit now. Can I ask anybody to please sit down first? Nobody wants to sit down? Only those